Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic WPS Office Word, how to wrap text. To wrap text, you can use text box or the other we can use word art. For example, in here I will use word art with this style and we set the name like into Mupasuket channel. Now to wrap this text, you can go to text effect and then click on transform. In here you can see we have a lot of warp tools. Like I will set into this option. Okay, you can move to the bottom here, so to be automatically wrap the text. You also can resize by clicking at this yellow dot point. We can move to the bottom a bit. Again to this point. To change another effect, we can click, go to transform. Like I will use this effect, and we can resize to drag that. Okay, that's it for basic WPS Office Word, how to wrap text. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.